If you can stay focused for just 8 minutes and watch this video, I'm going to show you something that can change your whole life. Everyone is looking to start a YouTube channel with a completely new niche, right? Well, today is your lucky day, because I just found a brand new niche that no one has started on YouTube yet. Let me show you. This Instagram page has around 850,000 followers with millions of views for every video. What they basically do is make videos about how certain things work and the science behind some scenarios, but with a song. So the whole script is a song. If you still can't understand it, just watch this example video.
Look up, ever wonder why the sky's so blue, huh? And why the sunset's looking like it's on fire? Yo, let's break it down, science style. Light from the sun's got colors galore. Red, green, violet, and a million more. They travel through air, start dancing around, bouncing off molecules like it's spun around. Blue's got energy, short waves tight. It scatters the hardest, yeah, it wins that fight. So when you look up, what's the view? The whole dang sky's wearing shades of blue. Blue skies, red lies, it's just a light in disguise. Colors playing tricks right before your eyes. When the day says bye, the magic spread. That's why skies turn blue and sunsets red.
What I'm going to do today is apply this same niche and method to YouTube as well, because this is a brand new niche for YouTube. I will show you how to make videos for this niche within just a few minutes using the power of AI. If you're not planning to apply this and start this process today itself, don't watch this video, because if you are not going to take action, your life is not going to change. So let's start the process. You can use this type of song videos to explain things. For example, this YouTube channel, which is called This, is making videos such as how the brain works, what is dopamine, and those sorts of stuff. We can also make videos about these types of topics. The first thing I'm going to do is go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 20 similar video ideas. Let's simply type, generate 20 video ideas for a YouTube channel, similar to these examples. Then I'm going to type several examples for this. Then let's generate these topic ideas. Okay, now we have 20 video topics for this niche. The next step is the most important one. Now we need to create a script for these topics, but as song lyrics. So this is the prompt that I'm going to be using for this task. By using this prompt, you can create scripts as the song lyrics for your video ideas. You can get this from this description. All you need to do is add the topic of your video to this specific part. As the first example, I'm going to use this topic about why is the sky blue and sunsets red. It's a simple and interesting topic. Okay, now let's generate the first song. The next step is to convert these lyrics into a song. Now, there are several AI tools that you can use for that. But the tool I'm going to recommend to you guys is this tool called AI Video. You can get this from the link in the description. The reason why I'm using this tool is that it is an all-in-one AI tool, so I don't need to jump around several AI tools to get this work done. In this tool, we have everything we need. Okay, the first thing we must do is convert our lyrics into a song. For that, you need to select this music generator option. Now I'm going to enter a simple prompt like this. I basically explained what type of voice and song I want in this prompt. Then, let's copy our lyrics and paste them here. In this menu, you can select the duration of this song and the number of output variations you need. I'm going to go with one output for now, okay? Let's generate this song. It will take several seconds to complete this process. Looks like the song is completed. Let's listen to it.
Look up, ever wonder why the sky's so blue, huh? And why the sunset's looking like it's on fire? Yo, let's break it down, science style. Light from the sun's got colors galore. Red, green, violet, and a million more. They travel through air, start dancing around, bouncing off molecules like it's spun around. Blue's got energy, short waves tight. It scatters the hardest, yeah, it wins that fight. So when you look up, what's the view? The whole dang sky's wearing shades of blue. Blue skies, red lies, it's just a light in disguise. Colors playing tricks right before your eyes. When the day says bye, the magic spread. That's why skies turn blue and sunsets red.
That sounds amazing. Now the next step is to make a video for this song. Now this tool has an option where you can generate a video for this song instantly, and you can also do it manually. I'm going to show you both methods. First, you need to select the music video feature. Here you can upload the song you want, or you can select the song that we just generated from these. So I'm going to select it. Now in this setting, I need a video for the whole song. So let's select this whole song. As you can see here, you can select the orientation, which is the size of the video, and you can also select any AI video model. I'm using the Google VEO3 model. and let's select classical as the genre. As the description of this video, I want this video to match the lyrics of the song. Now let's generate this. This process might take several minutes. Okay, as you can see here, we have some images for our video, and here you can check these images and change them if there are any images that you don't like. Once you are done with that, just tell this AI to convert them into videos and complete the process.
Look up, ever wonder why the sky's so blue, huh? And why the sunset's looking like it's on fire? Yo, let's break it down, science style. Light from the sun's got colors galore. Red, green, violet, and a million more. They travel through air, start dancing around, bouncing off molecules like it's spun around. Blue's got energy, short waves tight, scatters the hardest, yeah, it wins that fight. So when you look up, what's the view? The whole dang sky's wearing shades of...
That looks amazing. You can do this process manually. I think doing this process manually is the best, because then you can add stock videos and suitable AI videos that exactly explain this video topic. So I'm going to go back to the previous project where I generated the song video. Let's first add this song to the timeline like this. Now go to the visuals option, and here you can see all the AI video models that you can use. Now I'm going to make several AI video clips to match the lyrics. As the first video, let's make a video about blue sky using the Kling 2.5 model. Just like this, you can manually generate videos to match the song lyrics. And also you can upload external videos that you have on your device and mix them with AI videos. This process may take some more time because you have to generate each video manually and you need to add them to the timeline manually. But by doing this, you can create a unique output. So take your time and make your visuals better. Once everything is done, click this download button and download the video. It's really simple.
Look up, ever wonder why the sky's so blue, huh? And why the sunset's looking like it's on fire? Yo, let's break it down, science style. Light from the sun's got colors galore. Red, green, violet, and a million more. They travel through air, start dancing around, bouncing off molecules like it's spun around. Blue's got energy, short waves tight, scatters the hardest, yeah, it wins that fight. So when you look up, what's the view? The whole dang sky's wearing shades of blue. Blue skies, red lies, it's just a light in disguise. Colors playing tricks right before your eyes. When the day says bye, the magic spread. That's why skies turn blue and sunsets red.
Okay, that's how simple it is to make videos for this unique niche. You can apply this method to several other niches as well and use your creativity. Make sure to use this promo code when using this AI tool to get a discount. If you want to learn more niches and how to make videos for those niches, make sure to check my channel. I have covered a lot of untouched and unique niches in my channel. With that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.